Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A16 5G and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode, and in this situation we've got the timer option right here in this upper bar on the third position from the left. So let's tap on it, and in this device we've got 4 different options, so off, 2, 5 and 10 seconds delay. So let me choose 10 seconds delay. Let's simply tap on the option we'd like to use. As you can see, this icon will be highlighted and it will show the exact countdown. So all we have to do is to tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10, 5 or 2 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. So this is how it works. Of course, we can quickly turn it off just by tapping on this icon without any kind of countdown displayed, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.